All right, so we are here with another addition number line. I've already drawn my number line here. I'm adding 37 plus 13. So think to yourself, where am I going to start if I'm solving an addition number line? Am I starting over here? Or am I starting over here? You're right, I'm starting on this side because I am adding. If I were subtracting, I would be starting on my right-hand side. So I start with my bigger number, 37 and 13. Well, obviously 37 is a much bigger number. So I start with my 37. Now I'm going to make my first jump, but I really want to think what is the most effective way. So I can do a few different things. I notice that I have a 3 here. I know that if I add my ones together, I get a 10, and that might be a really easy number for me to work with. So that's what I'm going to try. So I'm going to jump 3. 37 plus 3 is 40. Now all I have left is my 10. So now I'm going to jump. Notice how my 3 is a smaller jump than my 10. It kind of helps my brain think about my numbers. 10 is a much bigger number, so my jump is actually bigger. So 40 plus 10, well, that's easy. If I count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I circle my answer and I write it in my blank spot. Now, I want to show you a different way that we could solve the same problem. So I'm still solving 37 plus 13. Let's pretend we don't know it's 50. So again, I still start with my bigger number, which is 37. This time, let's solve a different way. So instead of jumping 3 to get my 40, let's try to jump 10 first, because I know that my 13 is really a 10 and 3 ones. So I'm going to jump 10. If I'm just adding 10, really the only thing that's changing is my 1 spot. So that's 47. All I have left is my 3, a smaller jump, plus 3, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we got the same answer both times, but I solved it 2 different ways. Are there a ton of other ways you could solve this? Yes, absolutely. But these are probably the 2 most effective ways that you can solve.